Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great and welcome to your daily update on SUI. We're still covering it. We actually had some more bullish momentum since yesterday, which if you checked out the video yesterday, you actually knew that this was expected, at least if we were able to stay on top of $1.1, which we were able to do so. So yeah, I do these updates on SUI still daily, so if that's something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and you'll be kept updated on everything related to SUI. And that's also what we'll talk about in this video. We will mainly focus on the technicals. There are some fundamentals we need to talk about as well. And in general, I'll just tell you my thoughts on SUI and everything you should know. So that's what we'll do in this video. So let's get right into it. Before we start though, I do want to say that I also have my own trading signals group in which I post my own trades. Has been profitable so far for the last 3 months. So if you want to become a better trader, I also post tips and tricks and all of my trades. Then check out those links and you can actually make some profits and become a better trader / investor. Check it out. But for now, on to SUI. So overall, to start off with an overview of what I expect from SUI. What I expect from SUI is, and so far it has been true, to be fair. Started with a rally, then a dump off, and we continued the dump off on Monday with bearish momentum in the markets. This really was not. This really had nothing to do with SUI. But what I expected is that at some point of time we would form some sort of a consolidation. And then from that consolidation, at a different point of time, we would be able to start some sort of a rally. So that is, I think, right now we're actually in that consolidation phase. All right, so what I said yesterday is if we were able to stay on top of 1.1, I think we can get all the way up to this resistance right here around 1.22 and 1.24. And I do not think we can break above that, but I do think we can get there. And then if we got there, what we have done right now is we actually broke above 1.17 and 1.15. So we got some bullish confirmation, some bullish momentum, which is great because we haven't had that in a long time for SUI. So now what I expect is that we will drop back down. I think the consolidation range for now, and to be honest, that might change, all right? But for now, I think the consolidation range will be something like this. So between $1.05 and ultimately like 1.25. I don't think we'll break down below or break down above that. There are some fundamentals that could change that, which we will talk about at the end of this video. But for now, that's what I expect. So on the short term, if we are actually able to break above this 0.5 VIP around 1.18 and 1.2, then we might still head up towards 1.25 and then from there start to drop down. But on the short term, it looks like we'll have a bearish breakout. We'll test 1.15 and we'll drop down below that, drop back down to 1.1 and 1.05. And then from there, find support again. That's a consolidation. You move up and down. So I think we have for now kind of confirmed that some sort of a consolidation in that range. However, later today we have the inflation rate. I will be live streaming during it to actually cover it live and to give you my take on it. But this will create a lot of big market moves, all right? Perhaps not that big for SUI because what you see for SUI is that, for example, the volume is still very high. For a lot of cryptos, the volume has dropped down. For SUI, it's great, and the more volume, the less volatility. But if this is actually way lower than expected, we could break above 1.25. If it's way higher than expected, we could drop down lower than 1.05. So that's kind of something so for now, if we are still in this range by tomorrow, I would say that's still my analysis, but there's a chance that it will be invalidated later today due to the news, which we will react to fairly hard, I think. But yeah, having said that, this is my full analysis for now on SUI. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.